Hello, thank you for watching this video. Like any beginning affiliate marketeer, you need to pay attention to the costs. And there are only 2, maybe 3 programs very important as an affiliate marketeer. The first one is a funnel builder. The second one is an autoresponder. Those are the 2 most important programs. A third one is a tracking program. I'm going to share my screen and show you which program I use. So watch with me. This is the funnel builder I use. In one of my earlier movies in my group, I showed you how this one works. This funnel builder costs only $25 a month. In the past, I used several other funnel builders, but they are all much more expensive than this one. Do you want to know which one this is? I put a link in the comments. The second one I use is the autoresponder. I use Aweber as an autoresponder. Why do I use Aweber? Aweber has a very good delivery range. And that's important as an affiliate marketeer because you want people to receive their emails. The last one is a tracking program. This is an option. If you want to use it, it's okay. If you don't want to use it, it's okay also. But as an affiliate marketeer, it's very important that you track everything you do. Now, the tracking program I use is Clicker. Why do I use Clicker? Because Clicker is much more expensive than the other one I used before. Before this one, I used another program. And this program has the same features as this one. But this one costs only $20 a month. With Clicker, you save a lot of money. So this is the programs I use. And I told you also how much money I can save with these programs. So wait for my second movie, where I explain how the autoresponder works and how you can use Clicker. Thank you for watching.